the trip planner, a database for upcoming trips, and we're going to include pages for the itinerary, budget, parking list, flight, and hotel info in under 5 minutes. Okay, so again, we're going to click on here, and then can we search? I don't know if you can create a database. I'm not sure I know how to create this one, but we're going to find out pamoja. So let's see if we can find a database. Oh, I was supposed to add a divider, but maybe we can do that in the end. Okay, we have this here. An inline database. Good, 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 good. And then new database. What are we calling this again? What are we calling this? I don't know. Let me see here. New page. Packing list. And then we're also going to add travel itinerary. And then we're also gonna add hotel details. And then we're gonna add flight transportation details. Transportation details. What else? What else are we gonna add? Let's edit this. I don't know how many minutes I have left. I'm scared. But okay, we got this. Come on. I need cheat. Parking list, itinerary, budget. Okay, we have the pages. So they're not really complete, right? So you have to come here. When you want to open through there. So parking list. So this is going to be a list, right? So list. I don't know if you have something like that. Status is it gonna multi-select? Let's do multi-select, right? Type multi-select, sort manual, yeah, good. Add option. So our first option will be like, what are we gonna park? Charger, phone. Uh-huh. Okay, what's happening here? Search for an option list. Stop